Oh God. My boy here got some fire dude gauges. Let's check it out. He got the Turbo Smart on check. The AEM on check. Oh my God. We got our boy Ronnie in there. You already know he's specking it up. We're gonna go ahead and get this popping for y'all. And we're gonna get these installed. They look good. I'm gonna tell you right now. We're gonna link down below in the pillar page, pillar gauge pod. I'm sorry, it's such a tongue twister.
Oh, we got that from Fly Miata.
Okay, we got it from Flymouth. Once again, I'll go ahead and just drop the link down in the description if you want to go ahead and check that out for the quick click for you guys. So you guys don't got to go searching all around the internet and through too many pages. We'll get it set up for y'all. But, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this all popping. Ronnie's already working the harness. Oh, God. It's crazy when you got a real homie who like, really enjoys wiring. So, you know, he got the wiring harness. He already got it mapped out in his head. He going to fuck it up right now for y'all. Just check it out.
Explain what you just did.
Just soldering on some flux on it, so that way when we get the cables on extend, I just connect the other cable to it, and then I just melt them together. Pretty much finished the soldering just on the power side, but we're gonna tap into the cigarette lighter right here. Already crimped it right here, and solder joints done right here. So it's gonna move on to the ground and the signal wires.
So we got the AFR into the downpipe. Here's the wiring. It actually was a very, very perfect fit, so I'm happy about that. And Ron is in the cut handling the wiring right now. Like, we supposed to be up and running soon, guys. We are pushing to get it up and running.
Actually, you guys will see it running right now. If you wait 5 seconds.
Let's see. Oh man, show 'em.
So
Oh man.
Right. It's got a cables everywhere, but once I clean it up, this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna sit up here, kind of like that.
How you feel?
Good, it looks cute, man. I'm telling you, that shit looks good.
How you feel?
Hey, my boy Ron, he really out here killing shit. I'm so sorry, y'all. It's real serious. We had to do it to you.
Shit looks sexy
my
as
gosh. Bro, hey, y'all gotta stop playing with my homie Ron on everything, man. He really out here doing it. He's the real creative garage way. Real creative garage way, man. You see it.
Installing the wiring, just gotta bolt on the pillar pod and...
Oh my God.
Oh man.
That's it.
Bro, that's heat.
She's looking ready.
Just wanna let y'all know. Got the gauge pod in there. Shout out to Ron. Got that we chose AEM. Turbo Smart for the boost gauge. Bright for the seat. So we are back. You guys see the mobile one, 10WD30. We got the copper NGK. The 7s, not the 6s. We're gonna go ahead and fill this up, and we're gonna go to attempt to start the motor. Let them know what's going on, really.
This is gonna be attempt number 1. This is just to see if we got fuel, air, spark, compression, and hopefully we can get something out of it today. So keep our fingers crossed.
So we're gonna go ahead and fill the oil up. See the turbo. We don't have the downpipe connected, but we're not gonna keep it running for that long. We just wanna get it started up and see, make sure the work that we did is already, you know, efficient. We'll go from there.
Hit the button.
Y'all see that oil? Woo! It's that mobile one. Oh God. My boy said his pour game is strong.
So since it grabs a 4.1, give it just a little bit more because we're running turbo.
He said, tell him. Yep.
Take it off from here.
Gotta disconnect the cam angle sensor so we can get this oil moving around the motor.
Let's prime it up.
Let's prime it up. It's time. Cap.
Yeah, damn. Holy fuck, that bitch is in there.
Cap.
No cap.
Got the cap.
There we go. Okay, so we're just gonna turn the motor over. Let's see what happens.
See what happens.
Hopefully.
Should we put a top on it?
Yeah, we're gonna get a cap.
Another cap.
No cap. No cap right here.
Right here. Pull it, Jared. Pull it quick. Good shit, guys.
Good job, team.
So right now we don't have the NGK spark plug wires because we just want to do the test. These should do the job. Obviously, these are the original ones that came off. So.
That's good. Jay Fresh, can you get a vacuum line right here?
Yeah.
And wire it to the bottom of this one right here.
Which one?
Just a really small vacuum line.
What about this one?
Well, I don't really have really small.
That's okay. Okay. Do you have a... What does it run off a filter?
I can get one from the store, no problem.
Smaller, huh?
Yeah, way smaller. Yeah,
Smaller than that. Here you go, I got the smaller one. Sorry, let me move it. I might need this thing.
Let's see if it'll blow it off. Hopefully not. Because it probably needs to...
You gonna use the whole line? Okay.
Hey, I need you to record this on your on the phone. We need a video,
Yeah.
please. This is a big moment for us.
Yeah, let's just see.
You see my phone?
No, go ahead and get everything ready, guys. We'll keep...
So here goes that first attempt, guys. We're gonna do our first attempt to crank the car up. We're not gonna have it running long. We just want to see our work. We want to make sure there's no leaks, no squeaks. Might need some power steering fluid, but oh God.
This is prime.
Oh, we're priming it.
Ready, and here's some prime. Alright, Garrett, connect the CAS.
Okay. I'm gonna connect it.
Woo! Let's see if she starts, guys. Oh God, my heart's beating fast. My heart is beating. Woo! Let's see.
So, let's see the fuel. We're not getting any gas.
Remember, these are new fuel injectors.
Yeah. So make sure it's in there right. Okay. Do you have an old spark plug? Like any old spark plug? You got one?
No.
Not on hand. Unless you can take one out of the MB real quick.
Yeah, I just need to make sure I got support. Need to make sure we got everything. So.
It's crazy because I saw the little turbo wheel turning. I was like, oh my God.
You guys saw that air?
It was just turning so slow. It was just.
Yeah, because there's the exhaust is pushing it. Okay.
That shit is tight.
That's in there. That's in there. Fuel. Oh, sorry, my bad. What is this one for right here? Did you guys ever find that? I never found the plug for that one.
That's I think it's under it. It's like a little piece. Remember that little like fuel piece?
Let's see. There could be a ground for all these fucking things.
Oh, the reason why it's probably not gonna start is because the ground.
Oh, which one?
Right here. We don't have this ground connected.
Oh, that's just a ground strap though.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be good on that. But do you want to find a 10 Jared just to strap it down? Shit, imagine that's why.
Yeah.
We ready?
Turn it on.
Yeah!
You heard it.
Yeah! boy. How it sound? Oh my God. You heard it?
I heard it.
Woo, that's my boy. I just want to let him know. My boy just got a new car too. He got a new car, but he heard it start up. How do you
These
feel?
guys are the creative ballers of Southwest, and it's one thing to take thing apart, but it's to put it together and put together this operatic sound of beautiful engine work.
It's going down.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
Try it one more time. Try to start it one more
Yeah,
time.
I mean, wait, you just flashed me some. I want more.
Right.
Come on.
Gas it as you try to turn on.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
One more time.
One more time. Yeah, it's because of the MEF.
Yeah.
It's not reading in the air.